Hello and welcome to the News Frontier 24/7. It is 19th August 2026, and these are the stories that matter today. CMA's Union Minister Kiren Rijiju acknowledged border delineation problems in Arunachal Pradesh while rejecting Chinese incursion claims. US Ambassador Sergio Gore visited Srinagar and will review the travel advisory for Jammu and Kashmir. A Bengal court issued an arrest warrant for TMC MP Mahua Moitra in a hate speech case. Rahul Gandhi supported tribal residents protesting the Ken-Betwa River Link project in Bundelkhand. We now require stronger evidence of aligned behavior throughout all of training, building on research and evaluations already underway. Manufacturer, which makes Jaiku and Omoda brands, will open facility in Bedfordshire in autumn. The Chinese carmaker behind the irreverently nicknamed Temu Range Rover is plotting further UK expansion with a major research and development centre in England. Chery, which makes the Jaiku and Omoda car brands, said the launch of a new R&D site was the next step in our long-term plan for Britain as it also moves towards manufacturing its cars in the UK. Continue reading. 61 billion in shares as AI memory demand stays strong, while investors watch chip prices, AI spending and shareholder returns. Israeli army orders criminal investigation into killing of Palestinian girl Hind Rajab in Gaza. Handling of NEET protests under scanner. Bihar's new anti-riots force will be armed with cameras too. The UAE announced the embargo, accusing Iran of launching missiles into its territory. Escorts Kubota has announced a substantial investment of 2,000 crore rupees for a cutting-edge manufacturing facility in Uttar Pradesh. This new plant is set to manufacture tractors, farm implements, and construction equipment for international markets. This initiative is aligned with Kubota Corporation's strategy for expansion and establishing manufacturing hubs, significantly enhancing production capacity. Funding will be sourced from share proceeds and internal resources. Air Force officials said that bird activity, unauthorized construction and drones were among the major threats to flight safety around the station. Rahul credits India tours for the manner in which younger players have embraced Test cricket. Velora AI develops low-power chips and software technologies for data centers and so-called physical AI applications, including robotics and autonomous systems. SK Hynix's ADR rose 6% in pre-market trading after announcing a buyback of 40 trillion won in treasury shares. The plan aims to distribute over 50% of free cash flow from 2025 to 2027 to shareholders, amid pressure for higher payouts following strong AI-driven profits. A person has died and hundreds have fallen ill with salmonella food poisoning in an outbreak that UK experts believe is linked to eating food made with imported eggs. It is part of an investment of almost £100 million as Haaland and Wolf Spanish owners prepare it for a major defense contract. AI isn't close to curing cancer. This startup says it knows what it will take. Kids these days don't know how good they have it. Lalitha Jewelry Mart IPO leads Horizon Industrial Parks on GMP, with implied listing gains of around 21% and 0%, respectively, ahead of 19th August close. Sign up here during the 1990 SA new strata of independent film studios and distributors revitalized the Hollywood movie machine. The likes of Miramax, New Line Cinema and October Films challenged the aging behemoths of the industry and pushed forward offbeat directors such as Quentin Tarantino, Darren Aronofsky and Jane Campion. The decade is widely considered an artistic high point for Western cinema after the bloated mainstream excesses of the 1980s. The shift from surface transport to rail is expected to improve reliability, efficiency and sustainability. The Western DFC spans around 1,504 kilometers from New Dadri to JNPT and is designed to enable faster, heavier and more economical freight movement. The heated exchange reportedly erupted after Imran Masood, who was chairing the meeting in Saharanpur, objected to interruptions and insisted that speakers follow the proceedings of the meeting. 2% of respondents identified talent availability as a significant barrier to competitiveness, ranking it jointly as the top challenge alongside customer adoption. The three accused were produced before the court and remanded to judicial custody until 1st September. That is all for this bulletin from the News Frontier 24/7. If this update kept you informed, subscribe and turn on notifications. We publish fresh bulletins through the day. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.